To change screen unlock animation on the Samsung Galaxy S26, like for example into this one, first of all you have to be connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile data and go into the Galaxy store. Now you will have to go for apps and click on the right upper corner and search for Good Lock. There we go. Now we have to download this plugin and you can open it. Next, when it will be open, we will be redirected into the plugins. So we have to click here and we have to download Lockstar. We have to open it after it will be downloaded and click on the Lockstar icon at the bottom. Go for the unlock animation. Now you can find the different animations. You can quickly apply any of this. You can even customize a single one, and you can even change the color of the unlock animation unlock time, for example like this, and interpolar, so you can get default like bouncer or easy out. The bouncer looks pretty cool actually for this specific one. You can also pick the bounce settings. There we go. And now once you actually make a change, you have to go back and click done and take a look. Now when we unlock the phone, then it will look just like this. Yeah, so this is it for this video. I hope you find it useful.